Welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve one more question of Codezinger using JavaScript. Here we have question, find the frequency of digits in a number. It means we have already given a number n. We will find the frequency of digits in n using loop. Here the number is 1, 2, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5, 1. It means first we will check the 1 frequency. It means it comes 2 times. The frequency of 1 will be 2. Like this, 2 has 2 come 1 time. 2 comes 1 time. That's why the frequency of 2 is 1. Now 5 comes 3 times. That's why 5 has frequency 3. We will check all the digit frequency by using for loop or any other loop in this question. Now, first we will read the inputs by readline function, which is already declared here. Let number is n. First, we know that input is given in string format. That's why we will read it first for check what's the present in this n. After declaring the variable n, we will pass this variable as parameter of solution function. Now we will check the value of n. By using console.log, we will print here. Now, after declaring the variable solution function, we will call this function in line number 28 res variable. And we will print this res variable. Let's check the output. Sorry, n. Yes, we have 1, 2, 2, 5, 2, 1. First, we will convert this string into an array. That's why we will use split method here. It will convert this string into an array. Let's check. Yes. For separating every number, we will use an empty string here. Now, we will convert every character string or substring into an integer. That's why we will use map method, in which we will assign a number data type. It will convert every character string into an integer. Yes. First, we will access every. First, we have to declare a variable in which we will assign frequency of digit. That's why we will declare variable fric, in which we will assign an empty object. Now we will access every element of array. That's why we will use for loop, in which first we declare a variable I, which is initialized by 0, and the condition of this loop is I. It will run when I will be less than to the length of the array. It means n dot length. Now we will increment the value of I. In this loop, first we will check if frequency of n of I is equal to undefined. If fric of n of I is equal to undefined. Undefined. Then we will assign 1 in frequency of n of I, because if it is in initially if frequency is not present, then we will assign 1 after getting any digit. If then frequency of n of I, in which we will assign 1. It means we will assign the index of n. It means we will assign the index of fric. The value will be 1. That's why we will write here fric of n of I. Then if condition will be false, it means if already value is present in the index of fric, we will add the 1 in that particular index. That's why we will write fric of n of I after incrementing the value of frequency by 1. Then we will return this fric. Let's check the output. Yes, we have the output like this. First, we need to convert this now we have the input. We have the output like this. First, for this, we will use the join method. Okay, first we will declare a variable because we need the output like this. That's why first for this, we will declare a variable. Let R is a variable in which we will assign an empty array. It means then we will access the key by using for in loop. We can access every key in an object. Our object is fric. Then in this variable, first we will check if key is not empty. It means it is not a blank key. That's why then we will push the key value in array. These key value in array. Our array is empty array is res. It means we will push key value in res by using push method. Then first we will push the key. Then we need space. That's why we will use concatenate here to giving a space between key and value. Then we will push the frequency by using fric of key. It will access the value of the key. That's why we will use fric of key. Then we will return this res. Let's check the output. Yes, to removing this array, we will use join method here. Yes. Now we will remove the commas. Yes, but we need value and key. It means number digits and the numbers, digit and digits frequency in this format. But by using \n, we can print every key value in new line. Let's check the test cases. Yes, all the test cases are cleared. This is a perfect code to find the frequency of numbers according to question statement. I will also explain in Hindi. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें फाइंड करनी थी फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ डिजिट्स. ये नंबर हमें 1 2 5 5 3 4 1 दिया गया है. इसमें हमें हर एक डिजिट की फ्रीक्वेंसी प्रिंट करनी थी. इसके लिए 1 की फ्रीक्वेंसी यहाँ 1 2 टाइम्स आया है, तो 1 की फ्रीक्वेंसी 2 होगी, 2 की फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 होगी बिकॉज 2 यहाँ पर 1 टाइम्स आया है. देन इसके लिए फर्स्ट हमने रीड लाइन से रीड किया है इनपुट को. देन फर्स्ट वी विल डिक्लेयर अ वेरिएबल जिसमें हम सभी फ्रीक्वेंसी को पुश करेंगे. देन वी विल after converting this string into an array and these digit into an array elements, we will use split method and map method here. Then frequency variable declare करने के बाद for loop से हम सभी एलिमेंट को एक्सेस करेंगे. अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी के इंडेक्स पर अनडिफाइंड है, इट मीन्स हम यहाँ पर इंडेक्स चेक करेंगे. अगर वहां पर अनडिफाइंड है, इट मीन्स वहां कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, सिंपल की है, तो हमें यहाँ पर 1 ऐड इंसर्ट करना है. इट मीन्स असाइन कर देना है पर्टिकुलर इंडेक्स पर. अगर ये कंडीशन गलत होती है तो यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी वहां पर फ्रीक्वेंसी प्रेजेंट है, तो यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, हम +1 कर देंगे आफ्टर गेटिंग एवरी डिजिट. देन हमें आउटपुट इस फॉर्मेट में लेने के लिए यहाँ पर हमने एक वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर किया है. यहाँ वी नो दैट फॉर ए लूप से हम की वैल्यू ऑब्जेक्ट की को एक्सेस करेंगे. अगर की ब्लैंक है, इट मीन्स ब्लैंक नहीं है, तो हम इस अरे में पुश कर देंगे सभी की एंड वैल्यूज को. यहाँ की हमारी डिजिट होगी, उनके बीच में हमें स्पेस चाहिए. देन वैल्यू हम डॉट की से कर सकते हैं. ये ब्रैकेट नोटेशन हमें यहाँ पर वैल्यू एक्सेस करेगा. इट मीन्स फ्रीक्वेंसी जो कि राइट हैंड साइड लिखी हुई है उनको यहाँ पर प्रिंट करेगा. लास्ट में हम RES को रिटर्न करेंगे और बाय यूजिंग \n सभी डिजिट एंड उनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी को डिफरेंट लाइन में प्रिंट करेंगे. आई होप दिस वीडियो विल हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स रिगार्डिंग दिस क्वेश्चन, you can comment in our comment section. We will solve next question in next video. Thank you so much.